What if I told you most businesses lose sales not because of their product, but because of their words? It sounds shocking, but copywriting is the hidden engine behind every ad, email, and sales page. And here's the part most people miss. Marketing experts know that the right words can double or even triple conversions without changing a single thing about the product. That means you could be sitting on a gold mine and never realize it. A recent study shows that 80% of people only read the headline before deciding whether to buy or click. If your headline doesn't grab attention instantly, the rest of your message is already ignored. So what exactly do marketing experts know about copy that converts? Step 1. They focus on benefits, not features. People don't buy a blender because it has 3 speed settings. They buy it because it makes healthy smoothies in 30 seconds, saving them time every morning. This works because benefits answer the real question every buyer has. What's in it for me? Step 2. They use emotion as the trigger. Logic explains, but emotion sells. That's why ads that make you feel excited, curious, or even a little afraid tend to outperform plain factual ones. One surprising stat shows emotional content gets shared twice as much as rational content online. Step 3. They always include a clear call to action. Never assume people know what to do next. Tell them exactly. Click here. Sign up today. Grab your free trial now. Clarity turns attention into action. Now here's where many entrepreneurs get stuck. Writing copy like this takes hours, and staring at a blank page can feel overwhelming. And it only gets harder when you need headlines, emails, ad copy, and product descriptions every single week. That's the problem. The frustration grows and most business owners settle for weak copy that never sells. But there's an easier way. AI Creator Max was built to solve this exact problem. It has over 100 templates for titles, blogs, ads, and emails, all powered by proven formulas like ADA and PAS. Just answer a few simple questions, hit generate, and your copy is ready in seconds. It helps you write 10x faster so you can spend less time writing and more time selling. Try it free today at aicreatormax.com. Link below. Bonus tip: always test 2 versions of your copy. Even small tweaks, like swapping one power word in your headline, can boost conversions by 20% or more. And here's a light moment. Your copy should never sound like a boring instruction manual. If it feels like you're writing assembly directions, it's time to rewrite. Now you know what marketing experts understand about copy that converts. This video is part of a mini course playlist designed to help you master copywriting for ads, emails, and sales pages. So binge the rest of the videos to get the complete playbook. If this was helpful, like this video, subscribe for more strategies, and drop a comment sharing your biggest copywriting struggle. And don't wait until tomorrow to fix your copy. Every day you delay is another day of lost sales. Take action now and try AI Creator Max free at aicreatormax.com.